Hey y'all, my name is Edward, and I love Jupyter Notebooks. I use them all the time, even in cases where it's a little bit painful. For example, it's often the case that I have some Python code in a Python file already that I want to modify. Instead of just opening up a text editor and modifying it right then and there, I'll take that code, copy and paste it into a Jupyter Notebook, split up each line into its own cell, evaluate all those cells, find the small region I want to change, make that change, evaluate the change, see the change, and then put the change back into the Python file. Now, I found this approach to work really great for myself, especially really early in the morning after I've had a good night's sleep and I have a lot of vigor and energy. But it's often the case at the end of the day, I'm a little bit sleepy and the task of doing this copy and pasting is a little too daunting. That happens often enough that I often find myself reverting back to the former approach that I described, opening up a text editor and just editing the file right then and there. It happened enough times that I got frustrated and fed up enough that I said I never want it to be the case again that I would say to myself, if only this code was in a Jupyter notebook, because I know that I would be happier hacking and editing this code in there. So I set off to create a tool that would do this for me, and that tool exists now. It's called Python Interactive. It takes code from a Python file, dumps it into a Jupyter notebook, and splits up the cells just the way that I like. So in summary, I'm excited about Pint to share it with y'all because I think it's a better way to develop software, and most of all, I'm happy because I can now use Jupyter notebooks throughout the entire process of software development.